Hey now, Shamon here, and we're just going to do a simple video landing page with a Divi theme, a quick tutorial. This is going to be less than 10-minute tutorial. It's really fast, really easy to do something like this. This button's got a cool little rollover we did. So this is just a quick, simple video landing page with a Divi theme. Go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe button if you like this content. And I'm actually giving this page away for free in the back end of the Divi Planet membership area. So go ahead and check that out. Go to diviplanet.com and get 5 free landing pages right off the bat. And then you can find out more about the other landing pages that I'm giving away. Alright, let's get into the video right now. Hey now, Shamon here. Let's get into making this video landing page with a Divi theme right now. This is just going to be a quick tutorial. It's not really that difficult to make this. You want to go to a new row. So I've just started the blank page. I've got a new row. I'm just going to go to a video right now. Alright, I'm going to go to trash this video and get my new video. Just go to upload, insert from URL and paste it in there and go to insert into post. And go to check. Alright, I posted it right in there. Now what we can do is go to these settings here, go design, and if you want to mess around with the design you can. I like to just put a little border on it, maybe a 1 or 2 border. Three width border looks good, and then a little box shadow on the back of it here. Alright, go to check. And then what we can do is we can just add some text. So let's go here and go to text. Alright, then you can place your text right in here. And we'll just go to edit this. See the little brush right there, I'll bring it right here. You can change the font color, the font size. I'm just going to do a semi-bold for this one. And let's make the font size a little bit bigger. And the line height. Actually, we'll make this text a little bit smaller. And center it. Let's go 18. Okay, that's good. And color black. Check. And let's duplicate that. And let's go in here and adjust the spacing on this one. Just going to zero out the top and the bottoms. Now go down to the second one here and let's up the text size. And let's make this one ultra bold. Alright, content and text, and we'll just cut this down a little bit less text on this one. Okay, and then we'll duplicate this one. Let's bring down the size on this one. Zero out the top and the bottoms. Alright, check. Get the bonus items. Sounds good. Then I come over here to my top tile resource. I'm just going to grab an arrow, put that right in here, and go design or content and background. We're going to do yellow. Then we go design and we'll do the text background now. The color or the text color is going to be blue. We'll add a little shadow on it. Just bring it down a little bit. Alright, and usually you want them to be even. It's the same amount there, and then let's bring up the shadow some. There we go. Check that. Now let's go in here again, go back in, go design and spacing. Do 8 pixels on top and the bottom, and then the margin goes 0. Actually, on the margin on top go 16, just to provide a little bit of spacing right here. Alright, now actually let's go back to content, go background. We're just going to make this a little gradient. So let's go to gradient here. We're just going to put a yellow on this side and then an orange on this side. Actually, let's just do this out a little bit different here. A little more yellow. Alright, and then we'll go to design and border, and we'll put a little border around it. Just go to 1, and what we can do is go to the color here and just make it a little bit lighter. We'll round the corners up just a little bit. Just put a little bit of a box shadow on this one. Bring it down just a little bit here. Alright, check. Now let's actually go in here and let me see design and text, and let's up the text size some. Alright, and then let's go back to that background and change that background out because I just don't really like that orange. There, that's a little bit better right there. Alright, and then actually, let me see, design and text. Alright. That looks good right there. Now let's bring this up a little bit. Spacing at top goes 0 at the top and the bottom. Alright, and then for the top, let's just do a little 32 margin. Looks good right there. So this is just a little landing page right here, and we'll just go to this text, design and text. Now you just want to kind of fine tune everything once you get kind of something to where you like it. Okay, check. And maybe we'll do a little hover for this button. So go design, and actually go to content and background, and we'll switch it up real fast. Go over to the background and hover. Okay, you want to make sure you're on the hover state, and then I'm just going to take this color and copy it. And so I'm going to go here and paste it, and then I'm going to go here, and I think this is the color I used there. Check. Alright, so on hover, it'll do that cool little exchange, and then you want to send them to the next page. So if you need them to go to an email opt-in page, you want to make sure you go back into the settings and set the link right here to the page you want them to send them after you get done with that. Alright, now we're going to optimize this for mobile. So if you just want to go down here and go to your mobile phone view, you see we'll just go right here, scroll over design and text, and let's bring this text size down to the phone state, and bring it down to, I like to go 24. I really like to go 18, but 24 will do. Scroll over this to go design and text, and then let's see what this one we can bring down. Phone state, and then just bring it down to 20. We'll do 26 on this button. All right, so there it is on mobile phone, and just go to save. And now on the tablet, which I don't really put too much stock into, just for whatever reason, but we'll edit it anyway. Let's go on the tablet. Alright, there it is, and go check. Alright, so there's a simple video landing page with the Divi theme. If you want to get this landing page for free, I'm going to be giving this away in the back end of the Divi Planet. You can go ahead and check out DiviPlanet.com and the landing page extravaganza. I give away over 100 landing pages. So go ahead and check that out, and I'll see y'all on the other side.